Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Hammer with the correct game content mounted so assets resolve. This prevents missing textures later. Once loaded, set your grid to 16 or 32 to keep brushwork clean and predictable. Create a basic blockout using the block tool to define rooms and flow. This first pass saves time when refining. Make sure to save incremental VMF versions as you work, because recovery is much easier than rebuilding complex layouts from scratch. You now refine the core geometry. Convert large non-structural brushes to Func detail so visibility calculations remain efficient. This improves compile times and FPS. Apply NawDraw to faces the player never sees and use developer textures to check scale and player sightlines. Once geometry feels right, place essential entities like info player start, lights, and basic interactive objects such as Func door. Wire simple inputs and outputs to test events. This stage is about making the map work, not final polish. You finish by compiling incrementally. Start with a fast compile to verify gameplay, then run full lighting and vis when ready, because lighting errors reveal topology problems. Add props, decals, and use hint brushes and area portals to optimize performance. This reduces overdraw and occlusion. Finally, playtest in game and watch the console for leaks, missing models, or zeros errors. If you find a leak, check for open brushes or sky portals. If things go wrong, isolate the last change and recompile small regions to locate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.